Hello everyone and welcome to the NFT Moon Club. My name is Orime and I'll be your host of the most. This is actually my first video here, so I'm so excited to launch this channel and this platform in general. In this video actually I would love to talk about 3 projects that I think that are unique and gonna do very well in the near future as well as the long term. Now before I show you the 3 projects that I'm talking about, I want to make sure that you know, as you already know if you're watching other YouTubers, I'm not your financial advisor. I do not have the rights to financially advise you on anything. You have to do your own research before buying and picking an NFT. I'm just sharing my opinion, that's all, and also I'm not sponsored by any of these projects. Now, before I get started with actually showing you the projects, I would love to tell you a bit about myself. I'm 23 years old. I'm from Tel Aviv, Israel. I've been a startup founder, entrepreneur since I was 18, building my own e-commerce stores and my own startup actually that had more than 10 employees. And now, in the past few months, I've been extremely bullish on NFTs. I think this is the future. This is where I want to focus on. This is where my passion is. And I really want to find more different people like me. That's why I opened this channel, to connect with like-minded people and to open a community that will be here for the long run. I plan to open the nftmoonclub.com website as well as my own Discord channel. So just make sure to like this video, subscribe, and yeah, without further ado, let's get started with 3 projects. So guys, the first project that I want to show is the Rare Ghost Club, which founded by Sina, who is the founder of Pink and Dolphin streetwear brand. Now, if you don't know what Pink and Dolphin is, it's already a streetwear brand that has more than 250,000 followers on Instagram, and they are very established, working with different collabs with the NBA and different rappers and who not, you know. So this is what I want to look for when I want to purchase an NFTs, whether it's for the short term and the long term. Which I think they are good for both. I want to see who the founders are, what their past experience is, if not in the space, then in business in general. And you can see this guy, Sina, he's already done this amazing website and he's already established a brand that gonna step up with this project. So yeah, this is the first conviction that I got, is actually for the founders. So just to show you, this is the founders Instagram. You can already see here a collab with NBA, the official NBA, which is kind of crazy. NBA and Pink and Dolphin, they did merch for the teams. You can see the Lakers one, Toronto Raptors. You know, it's pretty sick. Yeah, you can see already they already done a billboard of a collaboration with the Subducks. Now, if you don't know who Subducks are, I'm gonna show you. They're already a highly established project with more than 2 Ethereum floor price, which is great. So what Pink Dolphin did, and actually the Rare Ghost Club did, they did a merch collaboration. They already made their merch, which is kind of similar to what the Hundreds are doing with the Aid and Bomb Squad. I'm gonna show you this as well. So you can see this is Aid and Bomb Squad. It's a project by the Hundreds, a streetwear brand that is very familiar with skateboarding and pop culture in general. So what they did, they are the official merchandise provider for Bored Ape Yacht Club. So what I'm seeing from this type of projects, they will continue as the demand for merchandise for projects are continue to grow. These type of projects like Aid and Bomb Squad and the Rare Ghost Club will actually provide the merch for this NFT project, which is sick because they already have the foundation for it. They are already producing thousands of t-shirts and hoodies every year. So it's very easy to them to do this and collaborate with other projects. And this is exactly what the Rare Ghost Club did with Subducks. They had the Times Square billboard of the collaboration. It got a lot of hype. And yeah, it actually drew a lot of holders who holding the Subducks to actually invest in Rare Ghost Club as well. So now you can see the art itself. I think it's really cool. Like there will be 10k ghosts with different traits and backgrounds, which is sick. I really love these ones. There also will be one legendary ghost. You can see here the full rarity breakdown. Yeah, I think this is something people would love to put in their profile pic. I would love to personally do that as well. So I think it can do well after launch, hyping it up, like causing FOMO and therefore increasing the floor. Now, if you're looking at the roadmap, we can see like they're doing this as kind of a membership. By holding a ghost, you can heavily gain access to different stuff such as airdrops and their web store and physical items like a chain, which is cool. I would definitely love to have my own ghost chain. Yeah, but it's something that's more for the long run, a game also, but I haven't seen actually a preview of a game, so I wouldn't care much about it right now. So I'd say that the roadmap is quite okay, but there is room for improvement. But mainly I think they just started with marketing. You know, they only did a billboard. They had an NFT post in the official NFT Instagram. So they just getting started, and I know they have capabilities to do a good marketing campaign. And I think it's gonna do well after launch. So yeah, that's about it in terms of the Rare Ghost Club. We can also see they have more than 27,000 people in their Discord. Launch is occurring tomorrow, so if you don't got a pre-sale, when I'm sorry. Yeah, it's gonna happen tomorrow, so I would look out for the public mint as well as the secondary market to just watch out and see how it goes. Alright guys, the second project that I want to show you is Blue Boy 10K by this artist named Blue Boy. You can see he's already kind of established in Twitter. He already did sold some of his art through Foundation with a nice price, so that's something that's really give me conviction. So if the artist is already selling his art and people want to pay for it, so they will probably want to pay for his 10K projects. So a bit of background about Blue Boy, who is the founder and the designer. He's actually more into fashion. He's a fashion designer. You can already see he's done stuff with big brands such as True Religion, and he's doing something with MCM right now, and just collaborating with different artists, which is something that is also important to me. As I said earlier, if this guy is already doing big stuff in real life, he's probably gonna do big stuff in the virtual life. You can't say this with 100%, like it can go both ways, but if I can see someone that is already doing good stuff and I like the art, so I would definitely be interested in tapping into his projects and his community. So just a bit of, while looking into the website, you can see that each item is very unique. It's kind of a design of his with different collabs and stuff. So it's kind of his sketchbook. You can say it's like the project is 10,000 pieces from his sketchbook, which is pretty cool. You can see each one is different. There are also gonna be 50 3D items, so it's also cool. Here you can see, welcome to Blue World, universe born from Blue Boy's 7-year artistic journey. Again, the website is really cool. Like, it has his language. You can see there is a lot of thought and effort to it. So this is something I want to also look. You know, this project is gonna be here forever, I guess, on the blockchain. So you want to know that the website is looking good, because this is actually the selling page from new people that want to invest in the project on the secondary market. And you want people that have high influence to tap into this, and this have to be fine. So yeah, it looks good. I like it. You can see different collabs that he's doing. You can see his work on Donda with Kanye West. Here's Kanye. He actually worked with Kanye. It's sick. Like, if that doesn't give you conviction, I don't know what is. And he's also like not that established yet, so there is a way for him to grow. He can definitely grow as a fashion designer, and of course that will increase the demand for his NFT projects. You can also see here the team. Here's Blue Boy, here's Jack, who is a business developer. Let's see, I haven't actually tapped into the team yet. Yeah, you can see this guy, he's already a fashion designer. He's working on his own stuff and he's on the team, so it's cool. Let's see who else. Shogo, I don't know who's Shogo, but he's the creative strategist. Yep, also working on different stuff. He's working on this project, I guess. Let's see the other one. I don't know much about him, but this is the web designer. The team is not like a top tier, but they already done some stuff, so that's something that I do want to look at. So also, like, maybe this will be the breakout for all of them. So, and yeah, you can not see a much clear roadmap, but you know, it's bigger than roadmap. It's the artist, and it's actually his entire life project. You can see he's done different stuff with Sprite, with very great artists, and he's clearly very talented. He has a vision to it, so it's something I do look forward to as well. The launch is on October 29, which is this Friday. Pre-sale, I don't know how to get into pre-sale. There have been some giveaways, some meme competitions and stuff, but there isn't a clear way yet to get into pre-sale. But be sure to look out for that as well. I'm not in pre-sale as well, trying to get in, so I'll be in the lookout for that as well. Alright, and this is the third and the last project, which called the Smilevers by the artist hyed, and this is personally the launch that I'm the most excited for. It's also gonna happen October 29th, which is just Friday, and I'm really excited to it, and here I'm gonna give you a few reasons why. So this project is founded by an artist called hyed. I think he's very talented artist. You can see he's doing pretty sick 3D work, and you can see that his projects are already selling. You can see this item is sold for 11 ETH, which is amazing. You can see the owner of it. He's a Bored Ape Yacht Club member, so it's also not bad thing. So yeah, you can see his projects are selling out consistently, and now he's looking to expand that into a generative project. On top of that, you can see he's already big on the hip-hop mainstream, and he's already designed this cover for the rapper Push Ice-T. Now, Push Ice-T is one of the best-selling rappers of 2021, and he's actually designed his album cover, so that's also sick as well. You can see his artwork on Jimmy Fallon. He's already have a nice following, and I can see like I have people that I follow that following him as well. Also, I'm gonna drop the influencer list that I have for you guys on the bottom. You can check them out, and you can like follow different people that are highly influential in the space. So this is also something that I look out for, because if this guy knows a lot of people that have influence in the NFT project, they're probably gonna copy his piece, they're gonna promote it, and which increase the demand for it probably. So yeah, that's something I also look out to. Basically, the items will be 8,888 items like these avatars with a skateboard, which is very cool. It has very deep details into it, like the skateboard had a different brands in it, and like you can see the Supreme bag and all this different stuff, and the Jordans. So it's gonna be highly detailed. He's making sure everything is okay. This is also something you want to look at. You don't want to invest in just some random project that has shitty artwork from Fiverr. You want that the artist will care about it, because if he will care about it, then other people will care about it. So yeah, I really got a good conviction in terms of the art. So let's look at the roadmap. You can see that in the Act 1 they're going to donate to charity, which is also good. Unlockable content, I'm not actually sure which type of content, but it's also cool. Weekly events and community music. I really love this community. I'm kind of active in it, so there's a lot of cool people. Also, like a lot of people that invested into Cool Cats or Bored Ape Yacht Club that have some kind of following on Twitter, which is cool. This is gonna expand the ecosystem for this project, because they're already involved in other projects, and people are looking out for people that already have success in the space, and if they will hold this one, they will probably look into it as well. So I'm looking into the snowball of people that have influence and are already in the project. I do prefer people with high influence, but a small Discord number list, than like a lot of people on the Discord, but not people that are influential. I really believe in the over deliver and under promise than actually over promising and under delivering. That's why I don't look too much into the roadmaps as I look into the art and the community. But if we'll continue looking at the roadmap, we can see he's also dropping exclusive merchandise and collaborations. Yeah, airdrops and stuff. Also, it's not like that detailed with a lot of promises. This is what the team is sticking out to. Under promising and over delivering is something I look out for. You can see already here a little bit of explanation. Now finally, let's look at the team. Like besides hyed, there's a lot of guys that are involved in good projects, like this guy Giovanni, who is the project manager. You can see he has a nice following on Twitter. A lot of people that I follow following as well, so this is something I look out to. People that are invested in Cool Cats, in Gutter Cats, and a lot of people in general. Farouk, I know he's also a holder of one of hyed's artworks, so yeah, there's something also that gave me a good conviction. You can see also this guy Logan, I think he's a moderator on an upcoming alpha group called the Oasis. So I can see the team is everywhere in the space, so if they're influential in the space, I do care about it. Here's Franklin also. This guy has more than 20,000 people, so hyed really put a nice team with him that's gonna help him promote it. It's really silent by now, but they're gonna launch soon, and I think it's gonna make a lot of noise in the space. Also, you can see that there aren't many people in the Discord, but as I said, they're not promoting it as much. They believe in selling out first and then putting all out in the marketing efforts. You can see people are already kind of active, not that active, but I do believe that it will increase once it will drop. So again, this drop is happening also on Friday. I think the pre-sale is closed and I'm eligible to mint one. I know there are giveaways dropping there, so make sure to look out for that as well. Again, I'm not sponsored by any of these projects. I think they are cool and just wanted to show you them. Alright guys, that's the first video. Thank you so much if you watched by now. If you haven't, make sure to follow me on Twitter. I will post more videos here, and make sure to also subscribe. Again, these are projects that I think are special. I do look into projects every day and I can't find projects that they caught my eye. These three projects are, and I'm truly excited for them because of the community, because of the artwork, and because of the founders. And yeah guys, hope you like this video, and I see you on the next one. Peace. Hello everyone and welcome to the NFT Moon Club. My name is Oriman. I'll be your host of the most. This is actually my first video here, so I'm so excited to launch this channel and this platform in general. In this video actually I would love to talk about three projects that I think that are unique